आज हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन आई। मैं आपको आज ह्यूमन आई का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनाते हैं वो भी समझाऊंगा, और इसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं, उसके फंक्शंस भी आपको मैं अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करके बताऊंगा। ह्यूमन आई एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन है हमारी बॉडी का, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑर्गन और ह्यूमन आई वी कैन able to see this colorful world. Okay, the external part of human eye I am drawing here. These are the eyebrows, and this is our eye. Okay, these are the eyebrows, eyelids, and the circular part. This is colorful part. This may be brown, blue, or black. Mostly it is black, but in some humans this may be blue or brown. So this is eye. The white portion, this is white, we all know. ये वाइट पोर्शन है, स्क्लेरा कहते हैं हम इसको, और ये इंटरनल जो कलरफुल डायफ्राम है, दिस इज iris. This is iris. Okay, the center middle portion of the iris, this is pupil, and the front transparent part, the front cover of iris, this is cornea. Okay, now we are coming to the internal structure. Eyeball is spherical. This layer is choroid. कोरोइड बना रहा हूँ जो कि मिडल लेयर है. कोरोइड इज मिडल पोर्शन. दिस इज कोरोइड. ओके, very easy to draw. Spherical part, circular portion, there are three layers. Middle layer is choroid. The outer layer, outermost layer, this layer is sclera. Okay, this white layer sclera. Here inside it is the internal part, outermost layer. Okay, and this is middle part, choroid. Okay, and the innermost layer, the most sensitive layer and most important layer, what is this? This is retina. Retina is the screen of eye at which image is formed. Retina. Middle portion, choroid. Outermost, sclera. Okay, the front part here, what is this? Cornea. The front portion is cornea, like this. You can easily draw this. Okay, now inside the cornea, the another layer, this is colorful part. Which one is this? This is iris. Okay, and at the middle of iris there is small spot. This is pupil. So first we label it cornea. Okay, this is iris and middle part is pupil. Now next is lens. This lens is convex lens. Okay, and there are suspensory ligament which hold the lens. Okay, now in the spherical part inside the eye, one jelly like substance is present. This is called vitreous humor. Okay, Here suspensory ligament, and this is ciliary body. Ciliary body. Okay, which one is this? This is ciliary body. Here one spot is present at retina through which a bundle of sensory nerves enters towards the brain. It runs towards the brain. This spot, head of these nerves, which nerves are here? These nerves are optic nerves, light sensitive nerves. Okay, head of the optic nerves, this is blind spot, and here at the retina one more region is present, the functional center of retina. This is macula. We also call it yellow spot. Okay, so these are the parts of eye. Now I will explain you the functions of all the parts. First we are coming to the cornea. Cornea is the first layer. It is the window of eye through which light enters the eye. Okay, it means the entry gate or entry window of eye through which light enters. This is cornea. Cornea is transparent part. Then interior part, here watery liquid is present. This liquid is called aqueous humor. This is called aqueous humor. This liquid is aqueous humor. It prevents eye from the external mechanical shocks. Now next is iris. Iris is colorful part. It may be black, it may be blue or brown. Okay, whatever the color, it contract and relax to increase and decrease the size of pupil. The size of pupil increases in dim light and decreases in bright light. When we are in dark room, the size of pupil increases to receive more light, and when we comes out from the dark room, we comes out from the dark light, the size of pupil increases. Sorry, the size of pupil decreases to control the light. Again I am telling you, in dim light it increases and in bright light it decreases. Okay, in this way pupil control the amount of light, how much amount of light let to enter the eye. Now lens. This lens is convex lens. It forms the real and invert image. Okay, convex lens forms inverted image, and inverted image is made erected by brain. मतलब उल्टी इमेज जो होती है वो सीधी होती है with the help of messages from the brain. Now the lens, okay, this lens can increase or decrease its focal length with the help of ciliary body. मीन्स सिलियरी बॉडी जो है वो लेंस की फोकल लेंथ को एडजस्ट कर सकती है. वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव टू सी द क्लियर इमेज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्रेजेंट एट डिफरेंट डिस्टेंसेस. सो at the different distances we needs different focal length. We are having only one lens, but this lens can adjust the focal length to see the clear image of various distances. Now the retina, it forms the image. It is the screen where image is formed. The most clear vision is present at macula. Why? Because macula have photoreceptors. Photoreceptor cells are rods and cones. These rods and cones are photoreceptor cells, and these cells are maximum cells are present at macula, so it gives us most clear vision. Macula is also called as known as yellow spot. And the blind spot, the head of optic nerves, Here photoreceptors are absent, that's why we are unable to see the object. It do not gives the vision, blind spot. Choroid, the function of choroid, what is the function? It provide the oxygen and nourishment to the retina, by which retina functions. Okay, and here one more part, this is conjunctiva. It is called conjunctiva. What is conjunctiva? Conjunctiva lubricates the eye. It provide the lubrication. It makes the movement of eyelids easy. Eyelids can easily open and close by the secretion of conjunctiva. It provide the lubrication. Okay, in this way here we have learned about the structure and functions of different parts of human eye. Thank you.